How to forward WhatsApp messages to email? Let's begin with the video. To begin with, open the WhatsApp on your device. Next, navigate to the chat that contains the message you want to send through email. Then tap and hold the message you wish to forward. Once the message is selected, hit the forward icon at the top. As you can see, there is no direct way to forward the message to email, but here is a trick. Just go back and click on the copy icon. Once the message is copied, open your mail and click on the compose. Now enter the receiver email address. Additionally, you can add a subject. Lastly, press and hold the message box and choose paste. Finally, hit send to forward the WhatsApp messages via email. By following this step, you can easily share WhatsApp messages to email.